Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Okay, now we will discuss next organelle present inside the cell, which is called as centrioles. Centrioles, they are mostly present in the animal cells and unicellular organism. Mostly plant cells do not have centrioles. Okay, and they are mostly two in numbers. They are two in numbers. They are present around the nucleus. Okay, they are mostly present around the nucleus, and they are two in numbers. Okay, they are, and these two centrioles, they are collectively known as centrosomes. Okay, centrosomes is the two centriole which is located exterior to the membrane of nucleus. Okay, centrioles, they are present only in animal cells and some unicellular organisms, and they are two in numbers, and they are present around the nucleus, and they are collectively, these centrioles are called centrosomes. Okay, what's its structure? Structure किस तरह से होता है? Each centriole is basically made up of tubulin protein, and there is 9 set of triplet of microtubules. What it means? It is made, each centriole is made up of 9 triplets of microtubules. This is my figure of centrioles. It is shown. It's like this triplet means it consists 3, and each and they contain 9 in numbers. So centriole is made up of 9 triplets of microtubules. 9 cylindrical shape hollow tubes होती हैं, which each 9 contain 3 microtubules in it. And they are made up of tubulin proteins. Okay, what is we have discussed the structure, that centriole are hollow and cylindrical organelles. Okay, they are hollow and cylindrical, and they are made up of 9 triplets of microtubules, and they are made up of tubulin proteins. And what is functions? Basically, these are involved in the formation of spindle fiber during the formation cell division. Okay, during cell division, they are involved in spindle fibers. Spindle fibers basically are formed during cell division, where chromosomes are attached. We will discuss it in unit number 5 in detail. What is spindle fiber? How they are formed during cell division? So they are involved in the formation of spindle fiber during the cell division, and they are also in some cells they are involved in the formation of cilia and flagella. They are involved in the formation of cilia and flagella. These are basically locomotory organs, movement में help करते हैं. Different prokaryotic organelles like or some eukaryotic organism, microorganisms में they are present, like euglena and Paramecium, they have cilia and flagellum. So they are also present in involved in the formation of cilia and flagella. Okay, this is centrioles. Centrioles are present in animals and unicellular organisms, and they are hollow cylindrical organelles, and made up of 9 triplets of microtubules. And they are where they are located? They are located on the outer surface of nucleus, and they are two in number, and they are collectively called centrosome. And what is function? The function is, it is involved in the formation of spindle fiber, and they are also involved in the formation of cilia and flagella. Okay, so this is centrioles, and this is overhead view, means ऊपर से देखें. These are 9 triplets of centrioles, and this is figure of centriole. Side view is shown. Okay, next is the vacuole. Vacuoles, they are full fluid filled single membrane bonded organ that is consists of single membrane, and it is filled with fluid, and they are present in cytoplasm. There are many vacuoles are present in different cells, like plant cells. In young plant cell have many vacuoles at the start, but when it mature, all the small vacuoles, they combine and they form the large vacuole in the center. Okay, when it's this state of cell of plant is called turgid. Okay, it become turgid means it it is not flexible, it is get turgidity. Okay, next in animal cell, mostly there are different types of vacuoles are present, like food vacuoles are present, contractile vacuoles are present. Some small organism, like microscopic organism, they have food vacuoles, and they take their food from outside and then they form the food vacuoles, and then these food vacuoles is then digested by enzymes which is present in the lysosome. So some cell have food vacuoles in them, and some have contractile vacuoles, like some unicellular organisms, they have contractile vacuoles. These are used for the elimination of waste from their bodies. To remove the waste from their body, they have contractile vacuoles. So they are in plant cells, single large vacuole is present in mature plant cell, and in animal cell different vacuoles like food vacuole and contractile vacuoles are present, and they are basically fluid filled single membrane bonded organelles. Okay, I hope you will understand it and learn it and make it 5 questions MCQs, बल्कि इससे भी ज़्यादा बनाया करें जितने पॉसिबल हो सकते हैं. सारे पॉइंट्स लर्न किया करें, कोई पॉइंट छोड़ा ना करें. बार बार आपसे कह रही हूँ, डायग्राम्स की अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करें. ओके, डायग्राम सेंट्रियोल की, दिस इज डायग्राम ऑफ सेंट्रियोल and this is vacuoles. You have to learn it. Okay, from today I think it's enough. Allah Hafiz and take care.